What is going on, guys? Black Appeal, the tech guy here, and today I'm just doing a quick low light video test with the DJ Osmo. So right now I have my white balance at 5500. My exposure is on automatic, so it's doing auto. I am shooting in D-Log, which is basically DJI Osmo's is S-Log for the action camera, and I have standard view, and my image I believe is set to standard, but I'm also using a wireless microphone with my Osmo. So this is what you would get with low light in this condition. Now keep in mind, I do live in Alaska, so during the spring it does tend to get a little bit brighter during the day. Right now it's still a little bit dark, so the only light you're getting is just kind of the little lights that I got over there, as well as I got some lights kind of just around in the parking lot, because I am parked in a parking lot. But this is what I get with low light with this. Now, I don't normally shoot low light because it's just not something I prefer to do, especially here in Alaska, because it does tend to get cold. But during the springtime, as it gets warmer and warmer at night, this is the type of quality that I will be shooting. So what do you guys think about the quality of the video? And again, this is in D-Log, so I might do some editing, or I might just leave it automatic. So let me know in the comments below. I'll probably leave this in automatic, so let me know what you guys think about the image quality, the video quality. Is it fine? Would you buy the DJI Osmo for the low light? Would you ever shoot it in low light? Let me know in the comments below. Otherwise, this is Black Appeal, the tech guy. See you in the next video.